Let's explore 10 amazing facts about Microsoft Copilot that are changing the way we work. Hello, Tony here from TECARVR. Microsoft Copilot AI is the silent genius inside the apps you use every day, and it's way more powerful than you think. Fact 1. Microsoft Copilot AI is built on ChatGPT 4, the same powerhouse behind ChatGPT Plus. That means you're getting cutting-edge AI right inside your Microsoft Office. Fact 2. Copilot AI is integrated into Office apps. Copilot works directly inside Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint, turning routine tasks into AI-powered productivity. No new apps to learn, it's already there. 3. Excel just got way smarter. In Excel, Copilot can analyze your data, create charts. No formulas? No problem. Copilot suggest formulas and even summarize trends, all from a simple prompt. Struggling with emails? 4. Copilot drafts emails in Outlook for you. Copilot reads your past messages and drafts replies that actually sound like you. Say goodbye to writer's block. Fact 5. Got bullet points? Copilot turns them into a polished slide deck. With suggested layouts, images, and speaker notes. It's like having a designer in your pocket. 6. Copilot isn't just in Office. It's embedded in your Microsoft Edge and Bing browser, too. Inside Edge and Bing, it can summarize web pages, draft replies, and even help you interact with PDFs. 7. Copilot is built for business, not just fun. Microsoft designed Copilot with business enterprise in mind. With secure data handling, admin and private AI models, it's smart and safe. 8. Custom Copilots are coming. With Copilot Studio, businesses can now build their own custom Copilots tailored to specific workflows. Imagine a personal assistant trained just for your team. Fact 9. It learns your style over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at mimicking your tone and writing style. Copilot becomes a smarter version of, well, you. Fact 10. Copilot works across apps. Start writing in Word, jump to Outlook, and keep going in Excel. Copilot follows your flow across apps. It's like having one assistant for your entire digital workspace. Which Copilot fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you haven't seen our ChatGPT facts video yet, you're missing out. Hit like, sub, and I'll see you in the next one. Tony from TECARVR signing off.